So Pooja, hi.
Hi, Rishikesh.
So welcome to our channel, Humble Beginning,
Thank
and
you for having me.
uh, we would like to interview you because there are many people who have no idea how to get into IT field, and they
Yeah.
are from various backgrounds, like they are from commerce background, or they are from uh, ENTC engineering, or they are from other branches of engineering, say mechanical or something like that. So uh, not much aware of all these things, like how to get into industry if they're not from IT stream, or something like that. So when it comes to like give us your background and how you started with this field, and give us a brief introduction of yourself. So please tell us about yourself.
So my name is Pooja Jain, and I have 10 years of experience, 10 plus now. I'll complete my 11 years in October. So I have a BCom degree. I'm a BCom student, and I have completed my animation course. So I have done animation. I have done all five medias, like from graphic, then audio, video, web. Web was one of the graphic, 2D animation, 3D animation, and the 4D animation. So that was one of my background basically from where I started. Then I didn't actually had any plan of joining website designing, but eventually I started working as a graphic and a web designer in a very small company.
Sorry to interrupt, like uh, you started from where, like you started from your like graduation days, from where you graduate, and how it all went by then.
Okay, so I am from Nasik. Basically, I'm from Delhi, but I'm settled in Nasik since 16 years. So I
Uh-huh.
have done my graduation from BYK College of Commerce. I'm a
Mhm.
BCom student, and I have done my animation course from Arena Multimedia. That is
Mhm.
my educational background, basically. And yeah, that's related to my education.
So after completion of your degree, like uh, how you started with this field?
Yes, so I think when I completed my exams in May 2009, and in 2009 October I started my first job. It was basically a matrimony company, but because matrimony is an industry where they have regular graphic and website work, so I've got a chance to work over there, and from there I actually discovered my passion towards website designing, where I was not aware until then that what exactly I want to do. I was aware that I want to do something in computer, something in animation or creative background or something like that. But when actually started working in this matrimony company, I actually understood that this is what I was actually looking for. Like, because it's feasible, and it's like you can work from home and other kind of stuff. There are many perks and pros and cons which were with it. So I really enjoyed my work. Especially the thing was I enjoyed my work. I discovered my passion in it.
Okay, so like if someone freshly graduated from their college, or someone who has just completed their degree, uh,
Hmm.
so if they want to start with, so what it matters, like the experience, the technology stack, or the salary aspect, or how it matters when you enter into the industry. So what is the first step that you should you will guide people, like if they are looking for a job, so what should one expect from a job? Like they should expect a good technology stack, or good money, or what it would be.
So I think first work on your skills and then try to take any kind of work which will help you to understand what you exactly need for the industry.
So if I'm starting with say freelancing, or I'm doing some work of my own, so how I can showcase my work to the prospect employer, where I will be going for a job, or how can I impress them by my own, profile or something like that. So do I need to create some portfolio or something like that if I have designed like certain website?
Definitely, you require a portfolio. So your portfolio is very important. Your like take up anything, like take 6 to 7 examples. Now, see what people do is they just say, okay, go with 2 or 3 designs. That's okay. But no, I feel you should have at least 2 to 3 months of your own hands-on experience on whatever you are doing. At least for your first with your own practical working before even starting a job. Because when you start, uh, maybe you can take someone as a mentor. You can take anyone help in your institution, or if you're self learning or anything. But if you want, you can take a mentor. Otherwise, at least start reading and make a small portfolio of yourself of at least 6 to 7 designs, 6 to 7 HTMLs, which will help you to understand at least how to work, and then improvisation and company standards that can be learned with while you're working with the company. So that's, I think we should, anyone can start with.
So now, being a commerce graduate and you are working for like you have around like so many years of experience around industry. So can you tell us like being a commerce graduate and then after that you are having like how many years of experience now?
10 plus. I'll complete 11 years this
So you have a
October.
10 experience. So it's like quite a huge experience you have, and you are from a commerce background. So can you tell us like you faced some difficulties initially, or you are facing them still, or you find it quite okay, and you can like advise people to transit their career from whatever they have learned from their schools, and they can do some training, or they can do some cross training, and they can get into this field, and it's very easy.
So if I compare my experience when I started, the the importance for my career was more important that I should know website designing. So I already had a background. That's why it was not difficult for me to start when I started, because when I started, I already knew HTML, CSS. I knew how to design. So that was, I think, pretty much I was apt for the industry when I started. But eventually, when I started growing myself in terms of uh, going into new paths, say from a designer to a UI developer to a front end developer, then I started facing challenges. So, say for example, first 1 or 2 years was just a learning experience, how the industry work. I worked thoroughly on my skill sets, that whatever I was doing, like HTML, CSS, I had a lot of practical knowledge at that time also. I had very touchwood, I had very good experience in my initial career. But then after 2 to 3 years, I started getting more challenges. And now, if I think if I now if I had to start my career as a UI developer, then the skill set which I had was lacking in some way. Like it was not apt for today's skill sets which are required for the industry requirements. So because I started as a designer, so but I got chance to fill up my gaps which were there. But if there's someone who is new to the industry, so I think they will have they need to understand what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript, jQuery. They have to start from there. I got chance to fill up my gaps because I had experience in my key skill sets. I had a very good hold on HTML and CSS, but that won't be possible for a newcomer. So they have to understand today's skill set and start working on it. But what it is there is JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, CSS. There, that's the main market need for a UI